Hey neighbors, welcome to the Shed Shop. In this edition of Will It Be Redeemed, I suppose. I have here on my outside stump bench, Stihl 026. Neighbor Mike brought this saw back to me many months ago, and he's had this saw since he was 16. I fixed the saw up. We cut down a huge cedar tree and bucked it up with this and an 028, and started the saw when Mike was here. Picking it up, and he took it home, and several months down the road I never did get my saw to start. And realistically, if somebody tells me their saw doesn't start and waits 6 months to bring it back to me, I should be charging them. But this is my one time. I'm gonna let him go with no bill. I have a video for you on the diagnosis of this, and I will give you an info card to that above, and I will try and make it the end card to this video. Basically, we replaced our fuel line because it snapped when I tried to pull the pickup body off. The gas was really rancid, and your two-stroke mix, you guys, 30 to 60 days. Honestly, after that, pour it in your mower, your ATV, your truck, something else, because two-stroke mix, gas does go rancid, especially when you do the two-stroke. You want to keep your fuel clean, and so we replaced the fuel pickup body, the fuel line again, rebuilt the carburetor, refreshed the carburetor with just a metering diaphragm and a new ultrasonic bath. And then I did notice some sparks jumping off of the coil wire, so I cleaned that up and taped that up. Normally I would shrink wrap it, but I didn't have any left at that size, so we just did some electrical tape so our neighbor doesn't have to spend $80 on a coil. And basically the saw was running fine last night. I did a couple of cuts with it, but the chain was so damn dull it wouldn't cut a damn thing. And so I'm not the greatest at sharpening chains, but I used my bench grinder, tidied the chain up just a little bit real quick to hopefully it'll cut a little better. And so all we're going to do is make sure this saw starts, cuts, and can shut off and start within one pull a couple of times, and then we'll call neighbor Mike and tell him his saw's ready. I did tell him last night it was running and let him know about the fuel situation, but basically that's where we're at, neighbors. Okay, I just got to get this tag off so we don't show you this guy's phone number and last name. Okay, because yeah, we don't want to be giving out our customers' personal information. So, that being said, it's getting chilly out, so we're going to do this as quick as possible. And, of course, I committed to carnal sin, and I forgot my screwdriver because I felt my pocket, and I thought I had it, but it was a pen. Dust, but this isn't a great log, so let's go over here. I think the rakers have been taken down too low. I didn't do the rakers, but it looks like at some point somebody has done the rakers on this saw, and they've been taken too low, so that's why it's just biting into the wood. Screwdriver and turn it up a bit, and if it's still cutting like that, I'm going to try a different bar and chain. Let's see if that helps at all, neighbors. It was definitely running too rich. just shitty. I'm gonna try a different bar and chain. Okay, I got us a different chain on here. Yeah, that chain was stretched to hell. This is a used chain as well, and boy, I'll tell you, I had to loosen my chain tensioner to get this one on probably 20 turns, which is kind of crazy. But somebody has just butchered those rakers on that thing in the past. Check our fuel down. I thought I filled this thing. Yeah, we're out of fuel. Neighbor's down. But this is my life. Okay, let's try again. Bad for your chainsaw. Okay, it's doing a lot better now. I really think the 026 should be ran with an 18, not a 20. That's just my personal opinion. It cuts a lot better with an 18 than it does a 20. It cuts too slow for me in the hickory with a 20 inch. With an 18, it flies right through wood. Until next time, be kind to one another, unless we want to cut this biatch up real quick. We might as well, right? Shit, neighbors, since you're here. our Redeemer honors his work. Till next time, neighbors, be kind to one another. Everyone's facing a battle. Love all 8 billion of you, even though I suck at it. Like the damn video. Go ahead down below, leave a comment what the hell you think. And subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if you're already subscribed, well great, thank you so much for your support.